This is dedicated to Love is in the Air.
Oh my
Group.
goodness. Oh, there's something in it about me about you. Tayo'y magkakalayo.
Ano pa?
Di matahimik ang puso ko. Bawat sandali hanap kita. Di mapakali hanggang makapiling ka. Dahil kung ika'y makita na
Amsi, tingin ka.
labis-labis
Wala ko damay kasi gundo eh.
nadama. Magisnan lamang ang kislap ng iyong mata. Kahit ano pa ay kakayanin ko na. Basta't kasama kita.
Bilisan mo na! Tapusin mo na!
Sige na, kumanahan.
Ay, nakatigas kita.
Babae nga.
Kahit na!
Wala ka naman yan ay. Sige na, go.
Bilisan mo na!
Basta't kasama kita.
Ang ano, because.
Lahat magagawa.
Ang mic mo, ayusin mo.
Ay maiaalay sa'yo. Basta't kasama kita. Sir. Walang kailangan pa.
Nagtago.
Wala nang nanapin pa. Basta't
tago eh.
kita.
Gawin mo midli.
Midli daw, midli.
Ay, yung Philippines Geography.
Magellan na lang.
Magellan, sige.
Ay, yung inibrat
Wala na, Magellan na nga eh.
On March 16.
In every afternoon.
On every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your letter.
Dating naman, simula.
Sa may bintana, ahay, sabay ang luha. And in every evening until midnight, I couldn't sleep tight because I'm longing for you. Because I'm longing for you. Enero, Pebrero, hinihintay kita, hindi ka dumating. Lumagpas ng
Ang mic, ayusin!
waiting for you hanggang Abril. Sumapit ang Mayo, ko'y nalulungkot ng pista sa atin.
Ano ka ba? Hindi ko na nakikita.
Ika'y wala, pagkat ika'y wala, di ka nakapiling. Lumipas ng Hunyo.
Diyan magkano yun ng
Wala
pait.
ka pa rin.
Pait ng dukot.
I've been longing for you, I've been longing for you, my heart is aching. I cannot wait longer.
Ikot-ikot ka na tuloy ni Guarda.
I'm crying. If you cannot come home, if you cannot come home, I look for another. Hirap kasi itong nobya kong sexy dancer. Buhat ng mag-abroad, nakalimutan na ako ang kanyang boyfriend. Ang mga sulat ko'y di na niya pansin. Tagal nang nag-abroad na sa Olonga po sa isang bergal din. Hanggang nag-September, hanggang nag-October, ika'y wala na.
Isang subo dyan.
Paghihintay
Para
ko
sa
sa'yo, darling,
anniversary.
ay wala ng pag-asa. Hanggang nag-November, hanggang nag-December, muling nagpasko na. I'm still waiting for you, I'm still waiting for you, darling, nasaan ka?
Sa Bilaukan.
Enero,
Isa pang totoo
Pebrero,
kasi.
Marso,
Yung ano, gusto ko kain.
Yung totoo lang.
Junyo, Julio, Agosto, Septembre, Oktobre, Nobyembre, Desyembre, come back to me. And every afternoon, 3 o'clock, I read your... Iba naman. Yung... Magellan. Last na to
Oh.
On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until they saw it Limasawa. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. They wanted to very welcome on
Tumatakbo si Sir Jim.
They did not understand the speaking they have done. Because kasi lagid at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City.
Riyan Mansi, marami pa?
I met him, they were very
Yung gusto lang mga kantang yan,
happy.
Dibudo.
Happy. All people were baptized and Christ. And that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited in Mactan, so Christianized him
Mga ba
everywhere.
yung video mo?
But Lapu-Lapu,
Huwag mo
meet
na.
him on the shore. And got Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad, ordered his men to come at large. Mactan Island, we could not grab, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. Then the battle began as known. Boris at first versus guns and cannon. Another, kanya ba saro? When Magellan was hit on his neck, stumbled out and cried, "Oh mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Oh, doctor, doctor, shall I die? Tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry." That's the end of Magellan.
Buti nga namatay ka,
It's the island of
nakapambilin-bilin ka pa eh.
Amen, amen. Ano nangyari?
Wait lang. Happy third month, Sir You Love in the Air.
Ay, happy ba?
Pasensya na, nakawala sa kulungan yung pinakanta ko. Kakawala lang po sa kulungan.
Loko.